Hi everyone, I'm Andrea. I'm here to answer your most frequently asked questions about how to use our sugar paste at home. So one of the most popular questions I get is, which sugar strength should I choose? So we have three different strengths. We have our soft, our medium, and our hard. The soft is for professional use only, or the sugar strip method. The medium and the hard are the ones that you're going to be using for the traditional flick method, and this is what how you're going to be choosing. If your hair is thicker, coarser, and denser, you're going to go towards the hard. If your hair is thinner, finer, and lighter, and peach fuzz, you're going to go towards the medium. However, if you can use it for any part of your body. So it doesn't matter if you're doing your leg, your Brazilian, or your face. It's about the density of your hair and about how thick and coarse it is versus what area you'll be doing. We also have a sugar paste kit. This kit includes a medium hard mix of sugar, so it's a universal sugar that any hair density can use. We have 4 gloves inside and 2 applicators. Thank you so much for choosing Sugaring NYC. If you have any other problems or any other issues that you need to address, you can always reach us on Instagram or Facebook, leave us a message, and we'll be more than happy to answer and help you out. We're here to help you and make sure that you guarantee success with our sugar paste kits. And welcome to the family.